What's up guys, today I've got my hands on the OUKITEL WP55 Ultra, a rugged smartphone built like it wants to survive till the end of the world. You're getting full IP68 and IP69K durability, a massive 11,000 mAh battery, a 108 megapixel Samsung camera, and MediaTek's new Dimensity 7025 chipset, powering the whole tank. So let's see if this beast can actually live up to its attitude. Roll the intro. So what is the price? Well, you can pick this phone up right now for £369 on Amazon. Now please note this is the current price at the time of shooting this video, and prices are always subject to change. For the latest pricing info, check out the links in the description box below. Now let me show you what you get inside the box. So we're getting a user manual, a Type-C to Type-C charging cable finished in red, a 33 watt fast charger is included in the box. You're also getting a clear silicone case to get you started, and last but certainly not least, the phone itself. Now let's talk design. This phone is made from a combination of metal and rubberized plastic. It's a tough, rugged smartphone, waterproof and shockproof with IP68, IP69K and military standard 810H certifications. Also, the phone does feel very durable in the hands and has this nice grippy finish on the back. The phone is 15.3mm thick and weighs around 368 grams. Now this phone is not for people who want a slim and sexy phone. This is for people who put their phone through the trenches. We're talking about construction workers, hikers, mechanics, delivery drivers, or anyone whose phone likes to jump off tables for fun. But the craftsmanship is seriously impressive. It feels premium, solid, and completely unbothered by reality. Now for ports, at the bottom we have a watertight latch, behind which you will find a Type-C charging port. On the side we have a power button which also doubles up as your fingerprint reader, and volume buttons. Up on top we have a single noise cancelling microphone, and it says IP68 in the middle. On the other side we have a SIM tray, and this phone can take dual 5G SIM cards or one 5G SIM card and one microSD card up to 2 terabytes. You also have a smart key finished in red, which is customizable with 3 functions. That's single press, double press and long press, and for each action you can open any app you like or action like flashlight, screenshot, screen recorder and lots more. Now let's talk about that display. On the front you have a 6.6 inch Full HD IPS display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. It's not AMOLED, but it's bright enough, sharp enough and buttery for daily use. Scrolling feels premium, animations look clean and colours are fairly accurate for an LCD rugged phone. And yes, you can use this display with wet hands or gloves and it won't freak out. Bezels are very apparent as expected with nearly all rugged smartphones. It's designed to be durable and it looks and feels the same. Now moving on to the cameras. We have a quad camera setup with a 108 megapixel main camera, and it's the Samsung HM6 image sensor, and this is the same sensor as found in the Honor X9D, the Honor Magic 7 Lite, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 14, the Doogee VMAX S, the Xiaomi 12T and many others. We also have an 8 megapixel night vision sensor, a 5 megapixel macro lens, and there is also a thermal imaging camera. And on the front we have a 32 megapixel Sony IMX616 selfie camera. And this is the same front sensor as found in the Samsung Galaxy M51, Realme X50 Pro, OnePlus Nord, Realme X3 and many others. So on paper, it looks like pretty decent cameras on this device. And here are a few samples for you to check out. Resolution video. Resolution. 1080p video. 1080p video, front facing camera. Now let's talk performance. Inside the WP55 Ultra, you're getting the MediaTek Dimensity 7025, built on a 6nm process featuring an octa-core CPU with performance cores clocked up to 2.5 GHz. This chipset delivers a solid balance between efficiency and real-world speed. Ideal for gaming, multitasking and heavy apps. RAM is impressive too, 16 gigs of LPDDR5X plus up to 32 gigs of virtual RAM, giving you a combined total of 48 gigs of RAM. That's insane for a rugged phone, and it really helps with the app switching and background processes. Storage is equally generous with 512 gigs of UFS 3.1, providing fast read and write speeds, and if that's not enough, you can expand it with microSD cards up to 2 TB. Overall performance is smooth, responsive, and way better than you'd expect from a heavy-duty, rugged smartphone. Now let's talk gaming. Now this is not designed to be a gaming phone, but for casual light gaming, the Dimensity 7025 holds up nicely. And here are the COD Mobile graphics settings. So maximum selectable graphics is high, and the maximum frame rate is max. So you can select high and max at the same time. So let's go ahead and check out some gameplay. So here we are playing COD Mobile. The starting temperature is 31 degrees Celsius. So gameplay is really fast and smooth. I'm actually quite surprised to how good this plays on this phone. And it doesn't even feel too heavy. So after a full game of COD Mobile, we will check out the thermals again.
Enemy in sight! Tango down! Missile on standby. Killer drone deployed. Down!
And if we check out the thermals, you can see it's gone from 31 degrees to 35 degrees Celsius after one game, but it also shows no throttling issues. Now one of the biggest selling points is the battery life. You get a massive 11,000 mAh battery, which will give you around 2 to 3 days of normal usage, or 20 hours of video playback, 1 full day of navigation use, and you can use it as an emergency power bank thanks to its reverse charging capabilities. You get a 33 watt fast charger included in the box, which isn't crazy fast, but with this huge battery you're not going to be topping up constantly anyway, and it takes around 40 minutes to achieve a 50% battery charge. Furthermore, this phone is running Android 15 with Google Apps and Play Store included, giving you a clean UI with minimal bloat and surprisingly smooth for a rugged smartphone. Now for you advanced users, DRM info shows Google Widevine Level 3. And over here it shows you the information for HDR and supported refresh rates. And here is CPU-Z, where you can check out the clock speeds, and it does confirm the graphics. It's the Power VR B series. And now that brings us to the benchmarks, starting off with Geekbench single core score of 943 and multi-core score of 2234. In 3D Mark Wildlife Extreme it was not supported, Solar Bay Test was also not supported, and the same for Steel Nomad Lite, not supported. And in the Antutu benchmark test we achieved 716K. And to give you an idea of how powerful this smartphone is, let's check out the latest smartphone performance chart of 2025, showing you all the latest smartphones and seeing how they compare with each other. All smartphones are ranked by Geekbench multi-core scores, so higher the score, higher the phone ranks. And as you guys can see, the WP55 Ultra has taken position 45 on this chart with a Geekbench multi-core score of 2234. And I've also given this phone an overall rating of 80 out of 100. Now as usual, I will constantly be updating this chart, and to see the most recent, head over to chigztech.com to read them at your leisure, and of course completely free of charge. So there you have it guys, that was the OUKITEL WP55 Ultra, and here are my thoughts. This phone comes with some serious strengths. Its rugged durability is a major highlight, with IP68, IP69K and military standard 810H certifications, making it one of the toughest smartphones you can buy. The massive 11,000 mAh battery delivers outstanding endurance, easily lasting several days on a single charge. The 120Hz display keeps everything feeling smooth, and the Dimensity 7025 chipset provides solid everyday performance. You also get a 108 megapixel main camera paired with an infrared night vision sensor and an incredible thermal imaging camera. making it versatile for both daytime and low light shooting. Storage is another big win. 512 gigabytes of space plus RAM expansion gives you plenty of room for apps, photos and videos. Considering everything it offers, the phone delivers excellent value for the price. However, there are a few caveats to consider. The built-in speakers are fairly average and don't match the rugged premium build of the phone. Charging speeds could be faster, especially given the huge 11,000 mAh battery, which takes quite a while to fully top up. And while the camera hardware looks impressive on paper, real-world photo quality is decent, but I can't say the same about the video and video stabilization. So don't expect mainstream flagship level cameras. It gets the job done, but it's not the strongest point of this device. So bottom line, the OUKITEL WP55 Ultra is all about confidence and capability. It's built to survive places most phones wouldn't last 5 minutes, while still delivering dependable everyday performance, long battery life, and features that actually matter in real-world situations. If you need a rugged phone that won't slow you down, whether you're working on a site, traveling, or just want something tough and reliable, the WP55 Ultra gets the job done without drama. That's all for this video. If you made it this far, you already know what to do. Hit the like button, sub to the channel if you have not already, drop your thoughts in the comments, and let me know if you'd ever carry a rugged phone like this as your daily driver. And of course, if you want to check out the latest prices or pick one up, all the links will be waiting for you in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.